Hello, welcome to LN Maths Guru Online Institution. Today we'll discuss about the graph of polynomial. So let us see one example. Draw the graph of p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 and find its zeros from the graph. We need to find the zeros from the graph. Now we can take input values as a -4, -3 and so on to 3, 4. And we can calculate the respective values x square, -3x and 2. Then addition of these three values can be taken in the output value as y. Then we can write in the form of ordered pairs. Then we can plot. Now we can calculate step by step. Now x square is -4 square, which is 16. -3 square is 9. -2 square is 4. -1 square is 1. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. Then -3x means -3 times -4, which is positive 12. -3 times -3 is 9. -3 times -2 is 6. -3 times -1 will be 3. Then -3 times 0 is 0. -3 times 1 is -3. -3 times 2 is -6. -3 times 3 is -9. -3 times 4 is -12. Now 2 is a constant. We can have all areas 2 only, so we can take it 2. Now we can add these values so that we can get output value x square, -3x and plus 6, which is 16 plus 12. 28 plus 2 is 30. Then 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 2 will be 20. Then 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. 0 plus 2 is 2 only. Then 1. -3 is -2 plus positive 2 is 0. 4 minus 6 is -2 plus 2 is 0 again. Then 9 minus 9 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we can plot in the form of input and output values xy coordinates as a -4, 30, -3, 20, -2, 12, then -1, 6, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 2 and 4, 6. Okay, now we got the required order pairs. We can plot them in the form of a graph now. We can take x-axis will be the input values -4 to +4, but y values we can take it as a 5 units on the scale y graph. So now we can go to the graph. Say this, all input values you can take it from -4 to +4. That will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The -1, -2, -3, -4. The positive value, the y-axis values will be, highest value is 30. We can take 5 units as a scale. 1 centimeter is 5 units. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Similarly, in the negative y-axis, -5, -10 and so on. Now we can plot the first point, -4, 30. Here is a point. I can use other color to locate here. Now -4, 30. Here is a point. -3, 20. -3, 20. Then -2, 12. -2, 12 you can take here. -1, 6. It will be here. -1, 6. Then 0, 2. 0 and 2 the y-axis, on y-axis 0, 2. Then 1, 0 on x-axis. Then 2, 0 again on x-axis. 3, 2 it will be here. Then 4, 6 it will be here. Now we can plot all the points to get a parabola. Like this. Now yeah. Now we can write all the coordinates. That will be -3 comma -4 comma 30, then -3 comma 20, -2 comma 12, -1 comma 6, 0 comma 2, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 6. Now here the graph is crossing the x-axis at 1 comma 2, so that's why I can say clearly from the graph zeros are 1 comma 2. Now the most important thing, we can take the scale here. You can write on the right side the top of the graph, x-axis 1 centimeter will be 1 unit, at y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, we are taking as a 5 units, and we can name the graph as y equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, which is the required graph. Thank you.